When comparing Teamgate versus Bitrix24, the big question is, which one gives you the best free features and collaboration tools? If you're in search of a CRM or collaboration tool that doesn't break the bank while providing a robust set of features, then you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end because I'll also reveal a better alternative for your business needs that you might not have considered. Let's start by diving into Teamgate. It offers a clean and intuitive interface with strong CRM features. The free version allows you to manage leads, contacts, and deals without any major limitations. But when it comes to collaboration, the free version doesn't give you team chat, shared calendars, or many integrations. It's a bit light if you're looking for full-scale team collaboration features without paying. That said, Teamgate does give you all the basics for tracking customer interactions, so it could work for smaller teams or those primarily focused on sales without needing advanced collaborative features. Next up, let's talk about Bitrix24. The free plan here is packed with features, and that's where it stands out. You get access to a CRM, task management, calendars, team chat, and even video conferencing. But, and this is a big but, the user interface is quite overwhelming. You get all these tools, but navigating them can feel like trying to manage a dozen apps at once. The free version does have a significant number of features for teams looking to collaborate on a variety of fronts. However, the lack of clarity and organization can make it hard for teams to use all the tools effectively, especially if you're new to these kinds of platforms. The third thing to consider is scalability. With Teamgate, the free version limits you to only a certain number of users. If you need more seats or extra functionality, you'll have to upgrade. It's not a huge problem for small teams, but can quickly become restrictive as you grow. On the other hand, Bitrix24 gives you a broader range of users in a free version, which is a significant advantage if you have a larger team. But again, that comes with the caveat of its complex interface, which can become overwhelming. Now, let's talk integrations. Teamgate has basic integrations with tools like Gmail, MailChimp, and Zapier. However, it falls short if you want deep integrations with tools like Slack or Google Drive. Bitrix24, however, shines in this area. You get integrations with a wide range of popular apps, making it easier to connect everything your team uses in one place. But as with everything else, this comes at the cost of an overly cluttered workspace that can take time to configure. The fourth thing to consider is reporting. Both platforms offer reporting features, but Bitrix24 has more advanced options in its free plan. You can dive into detailed sales reports, lead analytics, and even custom reports. However, these reports can be a bit overwhelming for someone who just wants basic insights. Teamgate's reporting is more streamlined, but you lose out on the depth that Bitrix24 offers. Finally, let's look at the collaboration aspect. Teamgate does provide a straightforward sales pipeline, but the lack of shared spaces, task management tools, and integrations really limits collaboration. Bitrix24, while complex, gives you a lot more to work with in terms of team collaboration, whether it's chatting, video conferencing, or file sharing. If team collaboration is a priority for you, Bitrix24 does provide more features, but you'll have to deal with the steeper learning curve. At this point, you might be wondering if there's a better option out there for your needs. Well, after trying both Teamgate and Bitrix24 myself, I found that while both are solid options, there's a better alternative if you're after free features and collaboration that actually works without a complicated interface. The softwares mentioned in the video are good, but for a streamlined experience with a better user interface, I highly recommend trying out the tool in the first link in the description. It offers all the collaboration tools you need and a more intuitive interface, and through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and benefits available to our viewers. Check it out today and start improving your team's productivity with a tool that makes collaboration easier, no headaches, no complexity.